Coming up on Daily Mountain Bike Rider, I go far faster than my pay grade allows, share the stoke with my friends on progression.
Yeah, Mike! Yo!
And scream because I'm terrified of what's happening.
Yo! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, Josh here again with Daily Mountain Bike Rider, and as you can tell, it is a beautiful sunny day here in Bellingham, Washington. It's a Saturday, which means everyone's gonna be out here riding, having a great time. Anyway, it's been a long winter, but it's finally time to get back riding and bringing you guys along. I'm gonna go on a super typical ride here, but I'm on my new NS Eccentric. I've ridden it just a couple times, but I'm ready to show it to you guys. So anyway, let's go see what this chromoly steel hardtail can do, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's get out there. All right guys, well I'm starting my climb up the mountain over here on the south side of Galbraith, and today is like a perfect day. Hey guys, 60 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, and just everybody to say hi to. Hey man, actually gonna be catching up with some of my friends today, and I'm sure I'll see a couple of you out here on the trails as well. But a couple things before we get started. First off, I've got the GoPro Hero 7 today on my chest, and I have the GoPro Karma Grip gimbal, which is a little different. I'm curious how you guys will say the audio is and just the overall feel of the point of view. Along with that, this Eccentric is sick. Very first thing you notice is that this bike is crazy long. It's a medium, it really feels like a large in reach and everything. And the weirdest part is compared to my Sentinel, I thought my Sentinel was super long. It's got a 64-degree head angle, it's kind of crazy. This bike is like 10 millimeters less than that. So it is a long hardtail, 65-degree head angle. This thing plows. And while it's not the easiest to bunny hop and stuff, it's great going down a trail and getting in the air. All right, let's climb up. I'll meet you guys at the top.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, just got done pedaling and met up with good old buddy Mike here. And we got Matt over here. We're gonna go ride some Cougar Ridge. I don't know about you guys, but winter's been too long.
Way too long, way too long.
I'm too fat, too tired, and too slow. Let's go. Okay, so we're going over to Cougar Ridge, and this is just a little connector trail that is very fun. It's kind of like a blue fast cross-country trail. You could get going and get in some trouble. Ooh, lost a foot there. Haven't done that in a while. I think my pedal hit my calf. Ow! Oh gosh. I wasn't joking, guys. It's been a long winter. This bike is just so stable for a hardtail. Running my 29er tires today. I've got these and some 27.5 plus, and it's good to switch it up based on conditions. Little wooded chutes here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop. Ah! Almost went down. I don't know if that's new or what. That was sketchy. Next time I need to go a little faster. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, roots. Woo. Ah, it's good to be back, guys. It's been too long since I've been talking to you on the trails. Ah! Oh. All right, guys, time to put you away to do some climbing. But we'll see you in about, I don't know, maybe just a little later. All right, made my way up. Climb was good. Sir Matthew, Mike, are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Honorary fist bumps. All right, Cougar Ridge, let's go. All right, dropping in. So this was my first time on this bike on a chromoly hardtail. And I'll tell you what, I read a bunch of hashtags that said steel is real. And I always thought, man, that sounds cool. And then you ride a steel bike and you go, oh my goodness. The damping of these things is insane compared to an aluminum bike. Anyway, I've just been stoked on the steel. You can really let loose on this trail. Ooh. Here comes the fun parts. Oh, it's rooted out. Yo! Ah! 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 Not gonna hit this jump today because I don't have speed. I'm too scared. Oh my goodness. Yo! Oh yeah, here's a good little tough section. All right, we might have to session this with Mike and Matt. I'm curious if they're gonna do it or not. Let's go see. So this is very much like a black diamond section. Like it actually rolls really well. You have a good amount of grip. There's good options. It's just the getting over the fear in your head of an initial root start into a sideways rock. All right, I gotta show this and try to get up here.
You came to a dead stop, so I thought, oh no.
It's not too bad. So the line, as you're coming in, is really, I think, basically to stay high.
Right.
So to stay high, come right here and you go super slow, and then it's gonna go right in, and before you hit that tree, you just slowly turn right. I'll show you my line. In this is what I would say for both of you guys. For steep tech, always go slow. Because if you're going slow,
You can always bail.
you can always put a foot down. So like I would say, always go really slow. All right, so nice and easy. That's a little sketchy, but then it's easy. Yeah, Matt. Oh yeah, Matt, hold those brakes. Yow! The stoke is real. That was 10 out of 10, Matt. How'd that feel? All right, Mike's up. Nice and easy. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Yeah, Mike. Yo! That was awesome. Does that feel good?
Yep.
Oh man. Mike, I didn't forget about you. How'd that feel? Progression always feels good. Oh, looks like only the blue line's open today. I'll show you guys why too. That double black line goes to El Diablo, my favorite feature on this trail. It's also the scariest feature on this trail. Oh yeah, huge turns. Yo! If you guys are wondering who to vote for in the 2020 presidential election, vote EB for president. Eric Brown is the man. So as you guys can see, there's these two trees were like almost connected, and we had a big winter storm, so there was a huge uproot. And this is the run out from El Diablo, which is right up here. I'll put in a little clip from me and Jesse's adventure down this thing. Whoa. Woo! Yeah, boy. No problem. Oh, yeah. It looks a lot more intimidating in real life than on video.
The GoPro does not give it justice.
No, it does not. It's sketchy. Mike, you're really making it look steep. Good acting skills. So right where Mike's at, Mike, you can point to that little drop. This is what makes it so difficult, is where Mike is a drop. So you're going down a really sketchy, rooty section, dropping off that full compression and then letting her rip, tater chip. All right, so next time, once, well, Mike,
It's hard to walk down with a lone ride.
you are like entertaining the heck out of us. You have to come all the way down now.
It'd be easier on a bike, actually, from here.
I'm not stopping until you make it. Thanks, Mike. Anyway, next time, hopefully this will get some work done. This is a lot of work to take care of these trees and then rebuild the trail. But we'll come back. We'll be hitting this on the hardtail for sure this year. There's a couple of really cool more spots on this trail. This is a really neat little ridge line. And I think there's a rock drop or roll up here. Oh yeah, here's the cool rock roll. This is pretty chill. Well, you can't walk down it. What are you doing? Mike Weston's gonna show you how it's done.
I don't know, not today.
Mike, you've done that before.
Yeah, I did.
Matt, I'm like a disappointed parent right now. I expect better from you, son.
It's right here.
It's like a 100-foot drop off to the right.
You guys, if I was your parent, no dessert tonight. That's what I'd say.
All right.
Wow! Oh gosh. Ooh, little Rudy here. So this is like the pick your own adventure section. So we have, left is a little tiny drop, right is like a sketchy roll, or you can go to the middle and it's pretty fun. I would say the best way to come in is right there and just nice and
Really soft rock to land on too.
yeah, it's actually designed. It's a MIPS rock. It's
Designed to pad the bones.
yeah, it's a
and the skin.
2022 invention, MIPS rock. Your head hits it, it's like a pillow. You go right to sleep. All right, so Mike's got the camera for the drop. You can see my beautiful gimbal dork setup today, and then I'll do the sketchy run too. So let's do the drop first.
Tune in next time to see the rest of this ride.
So this one's fun. This next one I don't like. Yo! Overshot that. Oh!